Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Pinduoduo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mms.pinduoduo.com/login and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Pinduoduo. You can use the translate feature within your browser to translate the page into your preferred language, and you will be asked to log in using the application and scanning the QR code. You can also click on account login at the top right and you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Now in order to create a new account, click on the Open a Store Now button and you will be allowed to create your account. Just enter your phone number within the first section and then choose your preferred password for your account. You can then click on Get a Verification Code button and you will receive a verification code within your phone that you just entered. Just enter the verification code within the box that you received within your phone number and then click on Start Selling Today. You will then be signed up to your account on Pinduoduo and you will be able to use these login credentials in order to sign into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Pinduoduo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.